One of the most surprising things about the battle jump rope is you can still do tricks with it. As heavy as it is, you can still do a crossover and you can still do boxing steps. In some cases, it's actually a little easier to do tricks with the battle jump rope rather than a regular rope. The only thing is, you're gonna have to be a little strong because a 3-pound or 6-pound rope, swinging it is just hard in general, but then when you're trying to do something extra, you generally have to put a little more effort into it, if you know what I mean. One thing I'm going to say is double unders, I can't do them. If one of you can, please put it in the comment section below. I'd love to see a video of it, but I have not been able to master double unders with the battle jump rope. Other than that, I'm able to do most tricks with the battle jump rope. Now I have 2 more things that I wish I knew before I bought the battle jump rope, so stay tuned. Welcome to Muscles by Marcell, where we help you make the world your gym. Videos up every Sunday, so hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Another thing I wish I knew about the battle jump rope is how strong it will make your wrist and forearm. It's something called grip strength. Having good grip strength affects your endurance levels while you're working out and helps prevent injury. The battle jump rope is actually helping you prevent injuries when you're doing workouts that's not even related to it. This goes along with the amazing cardio that you get when you're using this rope. Don't let the battle jump rope change your jump rope form. When I first got it, I was double tapping. You can go back and look at the videos. You'll see me stutter stepping and doing things like that instead of doing the actual proper jump rope form. It's because of how heavy the rope is. It swings kind of slow when it's coming around. Now I know you'll look at the commercials and they do something a little different than what I do. I kind of try to maintain my form because sometimes I find that after I finish with the battle jump rope, it's hard to jump with regular ropes. And I didn't want that to be that way. So I maintain my form, and even if the rope is moving a bit slower, I just move slowly with it. The workout is still very, very intense. The cardio isn't quite as good when you're going slower. If you don't want to let the battle jump rope change your form and mess it up for other jump ropes, check this video out right here. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.